Hello investors, I hope all of you are having a fantastic day. I'm so glad that you decided to join me today. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I use the VIX along with the SPY ETF to determine when we might see a turnaround. So I'm looking for divergence between the two, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that. But before I get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. All right, so today's video, we're going to start talking charts. So here we go. Let's get right into it. I'm not going to waste any time whatsoever. So today there was a huge reversal, and so I want to talk about exactly how I look at when a turning point is going to happen and how I do that. Hopefully you find this very interesting. So today we had a CPI data come out and it was very, very negative. Now, it doesn't matter that today that this happened. If this happens on any market day, you should be able to use these things I'm looking for in any type of situation. Okay, so the thing I'm looking for is typically when the market goes down like this, then the VIX spikes and goes up. So it's an indicator that's a fear indicator. And typically when the market is selling off, the VIX is spiking. So you can see how in pre-market, there was very bad news here, kind of came out, and you would think the VIX would be spiking. But as you look at the exact same time period, you can see that the VIX in the morning was staying pretty even. So this is the new day right here. You can see that it was even coming down a little bit as the market opened. So what we had is the SPY ETF coming down, being way down lower, but we had a divergence and the VIX wasn't spiking. And so typically when you see those type of things, when you see that the SPY is going down, but the VIX is not spiking, that is an indication that we may see a turnaround. That's an indication that money in the background is very bullish, and there's some different things that are holding the VIX up. And so that is something just to watch for, and exactly you can see what happened. We got that big time turnaround as the SPY continued to move upwards here. Now, in inverse with this, if you have the SPY going crazy and you have the overall market really surging, but you don't have the VIX going down, then that would be a divergence also. And so that is something to watch for when we might see a reversal to the downside. And so that is how I use the two kind of together, the SPY and the VIX, to come up with those type of movements and to give me a clue that there might be a turnaround and that we won't see the same trend going the same direction. Anyway, today was just a really quick video. I kind of wanted to talk about that. Today was the perfect situation in the markets to where we really saw that. I wish you all the best on the stock market. Please reach out to me in the comment section down below, and Raythoven out.